Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change chat wallpaper on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you need to launch and open your WhatsApp and make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp application. Let's just say you wanted to change the wallpaper of this chat right here or group chat. So what you're going to do is you have to tap on these dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and look for settings. Tap on settings. Now you need to scroll down again, and then this time you have to look for chat. Click chat. Now under chats, you will see this option, but what you're going to do is tap on default chat theme. So once you tap this one, then you will see here different themes that you can use. So basically, you just have to click. You can also change the brightness of this specific theme. So you just have to select which one you use. Now, once you found that right theme for your chat here on your WhatsApp, you just have to click this green at the top right corner in order for you to apply this theme. So let's just say I wanted to use this theme right here. So I have to tap on the green button above. Now, if I go back to the specific chat or group chat, then I should see this theme right away. So basically, that's how easy it is to change chat wallpaper on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.